Red Panda Mining here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. This video, I want to explain to you all that I have not been mining Kaspa directly with my Ice Rivers, my KS1, KS2, and a bit of my KS3 over the past 7 days. I have actually been mining into Nexa and using Unmineable. Now, this is not a sponsored video. This is not an advertisement. This is an idea which was brought to me by Mr. XP1. Thank you, good sir. You know who you are. Shout out to you, my friend. He gave me the idea of doing this because, maybe diversifying into other coins, and as well as that these Ice River ASICs right now are generally making a lot of money right now at this point in time. So it could be potentially lucrative to be, maybe mining into Nexa, maybe mining into Flux, Ravencoin, Conflux, Ironfish, because you will be yielding essentially a lot of these coins. But of course, it's going to depend, if you're looking at the charts of these coins. I'm going to go through that throughout this video, just kind of speak my mind here. And none of this is financial advice. There's going to be a certain opportunity cost into doing something like this, and whether or not, Kaspa is going to go up much higher or lower than what any of these coins I just mentioned, or whatever that you want to mine on Unmineable, in which that the percentage gains that these coins that you're mining could go up much more than Kaspa. I'm not saying it will, but in a sense that diversifying into some of these coins could be a lucrative venture. And I thought, hey, you know what? Why not? Because that these ASICs are making so much in terms of dollar value, that can then trade automatically using Unmineable. I don't have to worry about it, right? Unmineable does all that trading for you. Again, this is not a sponsored video. I have to say that many times. People are going to say, Red Panda, you're just chilling Unmineable. And I'm not. Honestly, I'm not. I am going to show you guys here. I have been accumulating Nexa here because I want to have a bag of Nexa. All right. I just mined almost 100 million Nexa over the past 7 days. And this is actually worth $1,357 US. Okay, so about 100 million Nexa. Am I going to be selling this Nexa that I just mined for the past 7 days? No, I'm going to be holding it for the long term, obviously, as most of you guys know of that strategy, mining and holding for the long term. So that's one of the coins here that I decided to mine for the past 7 days here. Now, I'm actually going to be moving on to another coin now, and I'm actually thinking of Ravencoin. This is not financial advice, okay? My reasoning here, I'm just going to explain, is because I'm feeling that with Ravencoin, it's hasn't really had a price appreciation yet in terms of in this bear market, or whether or not you guys think we're in a bull market right now or still in the bear market. I don't know. My idea here is to maybe accumulate a decent sized bag of Ravencoin, and why not do that with my KS2 and KS1, or maybe my KS3 as well. And, at least that would be converting what, 40 plus KS1, 20. So about, I have my KS1 overclocked, so about 30. So about $70 a day could be converted into Ravencoin, right? That's something in which I could then maybe accumulate a good, 3,000, 4,000 Ravencoin a day with Unmineable. Why not? And then the potential of which, what if Ravencoin could, 10x, 100x in the bull run or something, right? The strategy of just holding it there, waiting for the price appreciation of Bitcoin, and then, all the liquidity comes in, all these other altcoins will eventually go up. I'm not just saying with Ravencoin, maybe Conflux as well. There's also an option of mining Conflux into Conflux on Unmineable, right? So I could point my KS1, KS2 into mining into Conflux or any of these other coins that we just talked about. So showing you guys here, I'm just showing you how it works, okay? For anyone that's interested in doing this, most of you guys probably know how to do this. We talked about this before. But you can see my KS2, KS1 show up on Unmineable here, which I have been mining Nexa for the past 7 days. Just being transparent here, showing you guys the stats here. Okay, so the past 30 days, or past 7 days here, realistically. Yeah, about 8 days, I've mined about almost 100,000 Nexa. This is a little bit that I've mined with GPUs back in the day, so that's why you're seeing a little bit more here, okay? Giving that disclaimer. But anyways, yeah, for anyone that wants to mine with Unmineable here, I do have a 0.25% off mining fee. Okay, you just have to do hashtag RPM. Or for anyone that's doing these with their Ice Rivers, for instance, okay, showing you how to do this. It's very easy. So when you're gonna go to the start on Unmineable starting. Okay, so basically you choose the coin that you would like. Okay, so for instance, we're gonna go Raven coin. Okay, it's gonna get started here. Start, and then if you scroll down, you'll see the mining pool and the port that you'll need to copy into the mining pool address here. Okay, and you can simply just click on it. Okay, port 3333, and I can actually just paste that in. Okay, look at that. Exapow. So actually this is for the graphics card. Now, if you want to do this with your ice rivers, you're gonna have to go to the K heavy hash tab here. Click on that. Then you will see the port here for your KS1, KS2, KS3, KS3L, KS0 if you had it as well. And I usually do TCP. So 4446, copy that just by clicking on it. And I can paste that in just like that. Okay. Then you're gonna want to get, if I was gonna do Raven coin, then I would want to get my Raven coin address. All right, Raven coin address. So you're going to probably put RVN colon, and then your Raven coin address, period, and then your worker name. And then if you want to get the 0.25% off, you're going to want to go hashtag RPM, right? That my code there will give you 0.25% off if you choose. A bunch of other content creators out there have it as well. Go support them. You guys don't need to use mine, but it's here anyway. So RVN colon, then your Raven coin address, dot, worker name, colon, referral code. All right, just like that. Very easy to do. And then once it's going, you press X, hit save for the password X here, or 123, whatever. Hit save, and then the ice rivers will start mining. Okay, just to show you guys how it works here. Okay, so very, very easy to get going, especially if you had the ice river ASICs, which are, I would say, quite prevalent these days. A lot of people have them, and you know, they're obviously making quite a bit of money right now. So anyways, this is just something I wanted to go through, just showing you guys what I did with my ice rivers. I thought, you know what, diversify a bit. I know Kaspa has been the talk of the town over the past month, more so the past maybe couple months here. And there's been a lot of people that have been getting into buying the Ice River ASIC miners. But what if, like I said in the beginning, what if it could be more lucrative, for instance, mining into other coins that are available on Unmineable, and, you know, waiting for the price appreciation for these coins, right? Raven coin, for instance, maybe Conflux, maybe, you know, what if these coins had, you know, a big market making event or price appreciation along with Bitcoin or something someday, you know, who knows, right? This is just something that I thought, you know, we could yield a lot of these coins, right? I mined 100 million of these coins of Nexa, for instance, right? That's about 1357. And there was, over the past week, there has been some price appreciation as well. So not only that, you know, while I was mining it at the same time, yielding a lot of the coin, that the price was also going up as well. So in theory, I kind of made more during this rise up as well, rather than just mining into Kaspa over the past week, because Kaspa's price has been kind of going down. But that's neither here nor there. I'm not selling these coins anyway. I'm just going to be holding these for long term, right? Because like I said, wanted to diversify in a way in which, you know, I don't have to worry also about trading, exchanging. I don't have time to do all that kind of stuff. You know, Unmineable, just, I know there is a bit of a fee. Okay, it is a bit of a, feels like it's a hefty fee, but, you know, you have to value your time. You know, maybe some exchanges require KYC. Unmineable does that all for you. And, you know, in terms of maybe keeping records or taxes and stuff, doing it through Unmineable is like your cost basis, because it's going into your own wallet and you don't have to worry about, you know, trading and all that kind of stuff. But that's neither here nor there. People have different strategies. It depends what you like, to each his own. So anyways, my friends, that's it. That's all I want to do in this video. Let me know what you guys think. My plan that I did here for the past 7 days, I'm actually planning on moving off of Nexa, and now I want to try for another coin. I want to accumulate another coin. Maybe it doesn't need, I'm choosing these like proof of work coins here. There's plenty of non-proof of work coins that I could be accumulating as well on Unmineable, right? That could be potentially more lucrative in terms of having higher multiplier than if I were to mine Kaspa. I don't know. That's not financial advice, right? I'm sure it seems like with, I know there's been a lot of hype with Kaspa recently, but now with it being, a top 27 market cap coin, realistically, how much higher could it go? I mean, if we're talking about bull run numbers, then I'm sure, these higher market cap coins like Ravencoin, Nexa, Conflux, I think Conflux is what, top 50, 60 coin as well. Rank 99 now. Okay, so yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about. Usually in terms of higher market cap coins, they could have potentially a lot higher price appreciation rather than, coins that are in the top 100, which are already kind of like, established in a way. But that's all going to depend on Bitcoin, as everything is going to go up with it anyways. Okay, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are going to do this as well. Leave your thoughts down below. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a good one. Peace out.